1200 meters, larga! One slow out, Body Hassan searching for the leader. We've got Bentley, but moving up now on the outside is the favorite. That's Excelsior. Buyogan is running in third, then followed over by Security Choice. Go out a go, third last, then comes Body Hassan, and Marchesina is running at the tail of the field and nearing the far turn. The lead now belongs to Excelsior. Excelsior this time by about 3/4 of a length, now by about a length, and this time by about a length and a half. Then fighting back once again is a Bentley. 2 lengths watching in third is a Buyogan. Now we've got 2 runners once again fighting it out for the lead. Bentley fights back. Moving up once again on the outside is the favorite, and that is Excelsior. Coming in closer now is a Security Choice together with Buyogan. And down the stretch they come. Bentley by about 2.5 lengths. And in second, Security Choice, Excelsior, Buyogan, and Go Ada Go, and finally Bentley. Security Choice close for third between Go Ada Go and Excelsior. Then comes Buyogan for your Pentapecta.